Your print starts perfectly. The first few layers look amazing. Then suddenly, the entire print shifts sideways, maybe by a few millimeters, maybe by an entire inch. And just like that, hours of printing are wasted. This problem is called a layer shift, and it's one of the most frustrating failures in 3D printing. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to diagnose layer shifts and permanently fix the root cause. Welcome to our channel, Clone Print Lab, where we explain everything about 3D printing. Now, let's begin. What is a layer shift? A layer shift occurs when the printer loses its correct position during printing. Instead of continuing where it should, the nozzle starts printing in the wrong location. This creates crooked prints, offset layers, failed parts, mechanical collisions. The printer doesn't know it has lost position. It simply continues printing from the wrong coordinates. The most common cause, loose belts. The number one cause of layer shifts is loose belts. If the belt slips on a pulley, the motor moves, but the axis doesn't move the correct distance. Symptoms include random shifts, shifts in one direction, worse failures at higher speeds. Fix: check belt tension, belt wear, belt teeth condition. The belt should be tight enough to avoid slipping, but not overly tight. Loose pulley set screws. A hidden problem many people miss: pulley set screws. If a pulley is loose on the motor shaft, the motor rotates, but the pulley slips. This often creates sudden large layer shifts, intermittent failures, random print defects. Fix: inspect all motor pulleys. Tighten the set screws securely. Printing too fast. Many layer shifts happen because the printer is being pushed beyond its limits. Common causes: excessive print speed, high acceleration, aggressive jerk settings. The motor may not generate enough torque to keep up. When a motor skips steps, a layer shift occurs. Fix: reduce speed, acceleration, and jerk. Then test again. Mechanical binding. The axis must move smoothly. Any resistance can cause skipped steps. Look for bent rails, dirty wheels, dry bearings, or over-tightened rollers. If movement feels rough by hand, the printer is working harder than it should, and eventually steps can be lost. Cable snags and print collisions. Sometimes the printer itself isn't the problem. The print can collide with the nozzle. Examples: warped corners lifting off the bed, supports falling over, cable bundles catching. When the nozzle hits an obstacle, the motor may skip steps instantly. Fix: watch for curling edges, poor bed adhesion, cable management issues. Motor current problems. Stepper motors need sufficient current. Too little current, reduced torque, missed steps, layer shifts. Too much current, excessive heat, driver overheating, motor shutdowns. This is especially important on printers using adjustable stepper drivers. Driver overheating. Overheated stepper drivers can temporarily stop delivering power. This often causes random shifts during long prints, failures after several hours, and inconsistent behavior. Check: main board cooling fan, stepper driver heat sinks, and closure temperatures. Heat management matters more than many people realize. Step-by-step diagnostic process. When diagnosing layer shifts, Step 1. Inspect belts. Step 2. Check pulley screws. Step 3. Move axes manually. Look for resistance. Step 4. Reduce speed by 25%. Step 5. Run a tall test print. Observe exactly when the shift occurs. Step 6. Check motor and driver temperatures. This process identifies the vast majority of layer shift problems. Pro tip: if your printer suddenly develops layer shifts after months of perfect operation, Don't immediately blame the slicer. Most layer shifts are caused by mechanical wear, loose hardware, heat issues. Start with the physical machine first. Layer shifts may look complicated, but the root causes are usually simple. Check belts, pulleys, speed settings, mechanical resistance, driver cooling. Fix bells areas, and your printer will produce reliable prints again. If you found this video helpful, please share, like, and subscribe to our channel, Clone Print Lab.